Looking for base model for Kawasaki e13x97/68SN4G2 2002 88x0030x0. Looking for the electric fuel pump. Engine family KAXS 745N4K.
Need Kawasaki model number. Example FD 735 12345. What is the engine in? Usually it would have a pulse fuel pump, not electric. Electric would be part of OEM installation.
The engine is on a Scag lawnmower. 27 horsepower. It's an electric fuel pump because it has a positive and negative wires that comes out of it. You can hear and click, and no fuel coming through. I have the owner's manual for it, but it said the fuel pump is through the manufacturer. That is the only info on the engine. I took it to a small engine shop as well, and even they cannot find the tag. It's the original Kawasaki engine that came with the mower.
What is the Scag model number?
STT61A27K.
Where does pump mount? http://www.smallenginewarehouse.com KA49040265.html. Check this one.
I think it is this one. It looks similar. Thank you. For further references, what is the model number? 27K water-cooled.
I think FD750D. Is engine carburetor or fuel injected? Carb typically has pulse pump /. Please rate to close /.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.